Alright, the dust has settled from Apple's fall event announcing all the new iPhones and all the new gear for that. But a lot of people might not be aware ahead of the pre orders down the line on Friday, there is a way to almost pre register and get everything ready. So, come Friday, all you need to do is simply check out, set a pickup window, or if you would like it delivered. I want to go through and show you the two ways to do it right now on an iPhone and on a desktop. So, first things first, you will obviously need the Apple Store app, which is this one right here. And when you go into it, and the moment you go into the new iPhone 17 Discover area, you can see there's a Get Ready button right there. When you click that, it'll obviously open up the checkout links basically, and it says get ready for iPhone 17 pre-orders. Choose your new iPhone today, then speed through checkout when pre-orders start at 5 a.m. Pacific time on 9/12. Let me tell you right now, historically, Apple has had issues with checking out, and doing this ahead of time makes everything a breeze. It literally could take a minute and you're done on Friday. So, especially for those of you on the West Coast that actually have to get up early, that is a little bit of a struggle. Much easier to get up, knock it out, and go back to sleep. So, let's go ahead and say you want the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's do deep blue, 256. And then here you're going to be able to choose if you want to utilize the iPhone upgrade program. And this is really where it comes in handy here. If you want to upgrade to this phone, you'd select that and then wait to access all of your iPhone upgrade information if you are already a member of the program. If you are not, you can select buy a new phone, then go through your trade-in steps. We'll say I don't want to trade in. And then here you also can get configured to join the iPhone upgrade program, finance it with a carrier, or buy it outright. So we're just going to say buy, and then we'll say get a new iPhone with any carrier. And then you can pick which one you need, or just say we'll connect to a carrier later. Then you'll have your options here for Apple Care Plus, Apple Care One, or no Apple Care coverage. One call out here, I do want to let you know, if you enroll in the iPhone upgrade program, you automatically will be charged the additional $14 a month since this is bundled in the package. So technically, if you're buying the phone through Apple, you are paying a $140 upcharge with the iPhone upgrade program. Something to keep in mind, there's no way to opt out, unfortunately. We're going to say no coverage, and then here you go. You can see one-time payment, all good, what's in the box, and you can simply set get ready for pre-order. And then we chose our phone. It's now asking if you want to browse accessories. You can go ahead and select anything here you might want. Let's select this Beats case. Beats case is right there. Added. We'll say continue. Continue. Choose a payment method. So this is important. This is where you're actually going to input all of your payment details in order to have it all ready to go. We're not going to do that now for privacy reasons, obviously. And then the last bullet point right here is letting you know, starting at 5 a.m. Pacific time, open up the App Store again and check out. It is literally as simple as that. You can do this for any model. It doesn't just need to be the Pro. It just happened to be the one that we wanted to select to start with. You can actually jump out of here, go into the Air, and do it all the exact same way. So it's that easy. If you have a carrier you want to use, let's say you want the black one, 256, buy a new iPhone, no trade-in. Let's go ahead and use financing. You can see the options with Apple cards, the iPhone upgrade program, AT&T installments, Boost, T-Mobile, and Verizon. And then, of course, the iPhone upgrade program at the very bottom. And if you'll notice here, you have the iPhone upgrade program for $52.83 and Apple's other iPhone payments for $41.62. That difference that we were talking about being the Apple Care Plus coverage. So now, let's say you don't want to use your phone. What you're going to do on the website is pretty easy as well. All you're going to do is jump on the website. And again, it is right here off the top. Save time at iPhone pre-order. You can go ahead and jump right into it this way. And you see all of these steps one by one. Let's just go ahead and do the iPhone 17 this time. Say get started. Pick your finish, your storage again, no trade-in, we'll say finance, Apple iPhone payments, and then we will select our carrier, being T-Mobile. You can see your total financed, your monthly totals, and then you just say get ready again. It is literally that easy. Takes a few minutes and will save you such a headache come Friday. And then again, if you wanted to do the Air, the Pro Max, any of those options, it's all going to be the same. Just jump through whichever option you want. If you do have a trade-in, it'll ask you all that and show you all the values. You can select that as well. And then that's it. It is not that difficult to do, but just make sure you do this ahead of time. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you're pre-ordering and picking up on Friday this week and Friday the week after on release date. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.